Good afternoon, good morning to every single one of you. What is going on, guys? What is up? Hope everyone's having a good day so far, and let's do it. So I started my stream a little earlier today. I started my stream like almost 15 minutes before market open, and the reason is we got this I want to give people time to join in, to come in, to say hello in the chat. So that's why I did what I did. Nice. We're gonna let people come in the chat right now, say hello. We're gonna let them do it. Alright, let me guys know in the chat who is coming today with me. Right? Who is here in the chat, who is dedicating their time to do the work, to put in the work. Alright. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. Let's see what happens today. So, quick update. Yesterday we had a wonderful day of trading. We made $400, but then I lost not only $400, I lost plus another $319. So basically, yesterday we were down about like $312 from being up 400, and the reason that happened is because I was a greedy bastard, right? I was a greedy bastard, and I wanted an extra freaking $200, and I ended up on red. We turned a green day to a red day real quick, all because I wanted another $200. Yesterday I basically almost went on tilt, so I was literally doing everything I should have done to blow my account, but I stopped myself. I was on the verge of doing these, but I didn't do it because, I said, fuck this shit, I'm not gonna lose my funded account no matter what. So today we're gonna just reset. I recalibrated mentally, and today we're gonna take the setups we see, and we'll try see if we can get, like, how can I say this? If we can get a good setup and let it ride. So if the setup turns to be a winner and we get profit, we're gonna let it ride. We're gonna let it ride more than $400, and we'll see what happens on that one. Right now, let's get into the plan. Say hello in the chat. Let me know, guys, what you did today. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. Today is Wednesday. So today's Wednesday open, and we get at 8 o'clock in the afternoon for Belgium, we get the Federal Reserve, the US interest rate decision, very important. And then FOMC press conference with Jerome Powell, which is actually the Chief Executive Chairman and probably Director of the Federal Reserve. Now, we're gonna get a lot of action at 8 o'clock. I might go live, I don't know, but all in all, I think today we should be careful. We might get choppy So let's get into the plan. We got 8 minutes till market opens. 8 minutes. By the way, we switched to the 2025 March futures contracts. So if you're trading futures with me, I think you should have changed yesterday, because that's why it's called futures. You're trading the future. You're not trading the past. You're trading the future action, right? So let's get into it. The daily chart looks pretty bullish to me. We went down there, but the hourly chart looks like looked bullish, right, till today, right? Right now we got these kind of bear flags making. Right now is looking bearish. We dumped 89 points, looking bearish overall. 15-minute chart looking kind of bearish as well. 5-minute chart looking bearish as well. I think Delta's getting negative. Delta's going negative, and right now sitting down, waiting and watching. Good afternoon, Angel. Thank you, Angel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's get it. So the 2-minute chart looks like we want to dump. Everything looks bearish. We're below the VWAP. Delta sellers are getting in control. Let's see, what do we have? I'm surprised that for some reason there's no gap. Yeah, there's no gap whatsoever on the QQQ. That's very, very suspicious. That is very, very suspicious. It's 2-day policy. What? The Federal Reserve commenced its 2-day policy meeting? The fuck? I hope it isn't what I think it is. But, so today we got some gaps, right? We got yesterday's gap yet to be filled, and we got also a gap all the way down there to get filled. Let's see how we open up and what we get. I don't even know, like, what is the gap? The hell? I mean, I don't know what to say right now. There's no gap, so I think it's good to know. Alright, so what is the plan? Everyone wants to know the plan. Everyone wants to know the plan. So the ES below the VWAP, everything's below the VWAP. Very nice, very bearish overall looking. So I think it will be a great day. We'll wait to see at open, because we're not having a range. So we'll have to wait for a setup that looks kind of juicy. Let me see, where do we want to like have a retest? I think we can flush all the way down there 184s, because there's nothing holding us down. So I think flushing below this point and turning it into resistance, I think doing something like this, right? Doing something like this will be very nice to see if we can get that. And I think that's the plan for today, right? We wait. The daily chart looks bullish, but the hourly chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart looks bearish. So let's see what happens. We got 4 minutes till market opens. Let's see, guys. All right, 1 minute till market opens. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can take the correct trade. What will happen? So the idea is to wait for a setup, right? We dip down there 250s. I think you got a pivot. Nah, 250s. Yeah, okay. So the idea is to wait and be patient. That would be great. And if I can grab a good trade and it turns out to be a winner, I'll try to let it run a little further. And then we'll see what happens, right? So we'll just have to be a little bit patient. 9 seconds. 9 seconds till market opens. So 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Markets are open. And I'll go up there 300s, maybe. We'll get up there 300s. I think it will be a nice setup. I think I'm gonna get short right there. There it is. I hope everyone's seeing this. We'll let it run down there into the 70s. Gonna give it room. Write it down there, 66. Oh my god! You guys see that? That was... Oh my god, thank you so much for today. Oh, I'm not taking any more trades. I'm not doing the same mistake I did yesterday. We are up, oh my lord and Jesus, we are up $581. Oh my lord, look at this, we could have let it... Oh god, it glitched, my apologies. Look at this. Oh my god, we could have let it run. Oh my god, that was the perfect trade. Oh, if that wasn't the best trade of my life. Guys, please. Oh my lord. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, I can't help but be so happy for this. Oh lord. Oh god, it glitched. Oh lord, come on. Did you guys see this? Oh, come on, man. Wait. Kind of need to reload this. Wait. Range. 27 range chart. I'm done for today. I'm so done. That was so quick. Okay, it's glitched. Clearly. Never mind. It's fine. Oh my god, we're literally up $581. Holy smokes. What did I say? This might be the shortest stream ever. Let me see. How long is the stream? 15 minutes. That's ridiculous. We made money. Oh lord. $585 in how much? 30 seconds. Guys, I just made $581 in 30 seconds. And that was the perfect setup. So guys, look at this. Let's go to the charts and you guys tell me, am I a gambler? I don't think so. I don't think so. Why? Oh. 1 second. God. Yeah, it's glitching again. Okay. So, oh my god, type in the chat. Who saw that trade? Who saw that trade? Type it in the chat. Type it in the chat, guys. Okay, so this is what we talked about. We push up there. We kind of like, okay, so this is now doing what we wanted to do, but I don't want to take any more trades. I'm so done for today. I I literally, wow, that was the best trade of my life right now. Wait guys, 1 second, give me a, I need this to be fixed on the 27 range. Okay, I need to probably log out. Who saw that trade? Oh my dude, bruh. I'm speechless right now. Like, I could have took another setup right there. There it is. But no, look at this setup. We pushed into the 300s. We turned the 300 into resistance. So look what we did. Look what we did. So Angel, are you here in the chat? Because I have very important tips right now to show you something. So do you see the market pushed up there into the 300s and we saw it push? Right? It pushed in the 300s. Why did it do that? Well, to turn the previous level into resistance, right? We sell the 300s. We take all the stop losses and all the people who are sitting in a trade below the 300s, we pushed up so that they make it lose, right? So that people lose on this trade and get out before the initial dump. And I pretty much caught a massive move. That was such a huge move. Lord. I just made a lot of money. Yep, a lot of money. Let me log back in, guys. I'm gonna log back in real quick. Trying to log it. Oh my god, who saw that trade? Holy shit, 30 seconds, $581. Holy smokes. I knew it had potential to run. I knew it had potential to run, but I'm so happy I stick to my plan. I'm so happy. This gave me such a mental boost right now. Oh Lord, after fucking that up yesterday, it gave me such a mental boost. Oh my god, that's a big win. That's one of my biggest days ever. Okay, the chart is fixed. The chart is fixed. Okay, I'm gonna go quickly. Let me show you guys something. These are the perfect setups that we're talking about. Just look at this, okay? Just take a look at this. You can see, I think I'm gonna make the lines a little bit more clear right now because they're kind of, you know. No, wait. I'm gonna make the lines white, and this line I will make it cyan. No, still bad, still bad. We're gonna change something a little bit here. You know, I'm gonna keep it to default. Yeah, so let's see. Changing these colors. I need to see. Okay, so you guys obviously see this line here. So we sold. Where did we sell? We sold into the 296, right? 4 points below the 300s. That's okay. And we took profit into the 66. So I think that's a 30-point trade in 30 seconds. That moves so quick. That moves so fast and quick. And there you go. You would have had another setup because we just talked about this pre-market open. Like, what did we say? Look what we did. Let's discuss this, right? Let's analyze. We talked about this before the market even opened. Don't do this shit. Okay. Look what we did. After pushing, right? Look what we did. So after dumping, which we took that trade very nicely into the 66, we took profit into the 66, right there at the lows. What did we do afterwards? Well, we pushed up right 3 points near the prior resistance. So this was exactly as we talked about. I marked this level and I think Angel saw it as well. I marked this line of the 22,268 before the market even opened. The market pushed and then it dumped another 40 points. So there you go. There's another setup that you could have taken, right? If you didn't take the first setup, you would have had this setup right here. As you can see, it's perfect formation. It pushed into the 65s. You could have sold into the 60s, stop right into the 70s, right there, 10 points, and you could have grabbed another 20 points. I mean, this is so obvious. And we might be setting for another setup, but I'm done. I'm done. We are up about $581 on the day. We're up $855 on the account. And on our weekly profit trigger, we are about up $262. Not bad. Yesterday I could have made a lot more money, but that's okay. Shitty days happen. And we're gonna accept it. Yep. We're gonna accept it and we're not gonna bother on it. We're not gonna focus on it anymore. We're fine. Let's see the higher time frames here. So I'm gonna, as you can see right now, the market's pushing. Let me switch over to my charts. Here we go. Let's see, the sellers are in control. Everything was lined up. And I think everyone who watches my stream should get an idea of what I'm seeing. People should learn to see what I see, right? I mean, I'm not telling you to see what I see, but people should learn to kind of, you know, get in touch and familiar with how I look at things, right? We had negative delta, right? We're selling, we're selling, we're selling. We're below the view up, we're selling, we show sellers. It's why not take the short? I'm not going to buy the dip because that's not what I want right now. We're in a downtrend, I'm going to go with the trend. We're going to go with the trend. As you can see, hourly chart, we bounce off of this area of the pivot point out of the 222s. So really nice, really smooth play out. We showed strength to the downside. And I'm done for today. I'm not even going to partake at 8 o'clock because I made my money for the day. And it's insane. I'm so happy. I couldn't be more grateful. I'm so grateful. Look at this. Another good setup. We might go something like this right now. Right? We might have something like we went at the EMA and now we're going, right? I mean, there's nothing that tells us right now that we shouldn't. So right now we're gonna let the charts on for 5 more minutes for you guys to ask your questions, after which I will close the stream because I'm not taking another trade. That was the best trade of my life, and if I give back any more profits, then I'm a stupid guy. I'm a fool if I do that. God, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. Oh my baby Jesus. That was the best trade of my entire life. Wow, straight down. Amazing, amazing, amazing play out. Holy, easy money. Right there. There you go, guys. That was the day. I hope you guys learned something new. Let me know, guys, down below in the comments, what have you learned new today? Alright. So, the stream has come to an end. Quite short stream, just 31 minutes, half an hour. And I'll walk away, I'll go outside, do something nice, and be back tomorrow morning, Thursday afternoon, for Thursday Open. Happy Wednesday. I wish everyone the best week, and I hope everyone has a wonderful Wednesday.